Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Explorer. First, let's get comfortable and safe. Adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals and steering wheel. Next, always fasten your seatbelt. It's your primary safety device. Then, set your side and rear-view mirrors to give you a clear view of the road behind and beside you. Finally, confirm all passengers are also securely buckled in before moving. Now that you're ready, let's start the engine. If your Explorer has a traditional key, insert it and turn it to the on position. For models with push-button start, simply press the brake pedal firmly and then press the start button. Listen for the engine to smoothly come to life. Take a moment to check your dashboard for any warning lights. They should illuminate briefly and then turn off, indicating systems are ready. With the engine running, it's time to get moving. Keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Locate the gear selector, which might be a rotary dial or a traditional lever. Shift it from park to drive for forward motion or reverse if you need to back up. Once in gear, release the parking brake. Then, slowly and smoothly lift your foot off the brake pedal, and the Explorer will begin to move. As you drive, use the accelerator pedal to increase your speed gradually and the brake pedal to slow down or stop. Remember to steer smoothly, looking well ahead to anticipate turns and traffic. When parking, find a suitable spot, shift into park, and always engage the parking brake. This ensures your Explorer remains securely in place. Practice these steps, and you'll be driving your Ford Explorer confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.